Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to reconstitute your Retatrutide vial. I have a 10 milligram and a 20 milligram here. Honestly, reconstituting them is the same exact steps. I do the same amount of bacteriostatic water in each vial when I reconstitute, and I have my own reasons that I can discuss in another video. But for now, I'm going to reconstitute the 10 milligram first, okay? It's gonna be the same exact steps for the 20 though. So you're gonna get your 10 milligram right here. This, you're gonna flip the cap off. You're gonna wanna do it quick. If you do it too slow, it can tear the metal a little bit. So you don't wanna go slow, you wanna just flip it off. Now with this is your backwater. It may look different. There's tons of different places to get it. Amazon is usually where I get it. I've got links, I probably sent you one. Flip that off. And then this is your syringe. Now, there are other syringes you can use if you're already doing TRT, for example, and you need to inject oil. Usually you have bigger syringes. That is great for this, but if you don't have that, this will do just fine. This is your insulin syringe, same one you're going to inject yourself with. As long as it's 100 units, which it should be, it should read 100 units right there, then the steps will be the same. If you have a smaller syringe, the steps will be different. Reach out to me and I can let you know. So this is the bacteriostatic water. You want to pull out the water and put it into the lyophilized powder vial. In order to get it out quicker, you want to create vacuum pressure. So the way you're going to do that is inject air into it so that it pushes the water out easier. So I am going to do 200 units, which one syringe is 100 units. So that's 2 syringes full, also known as 2 milliliters or 2 cc's. But as far as the numbers on the syringe go, it's units up to 100. So we're gonna do 200 units, start off with 100 units of air. Pull that air, push the air up in there. Now this part takes a little while. Oh, not too bad. All right, I got my 100 units right there. Now here's the thing. Usually about 99% of the time, this is going to come with pressure in it and the water will just suck right up. It's important that you don't push the water in. You're gonna put it in here. If you look closely, you'll see where there's a gap in between that rubber stopper. You wanna make sure it goes right in there. Now you go right there, and you'll see now I did not push it in, it just went in. Now I'm going to do it again zoomed out so you can see for the second time. $100 units of air again. Now I'm pulling the 100 units of the backwater, also known as bacteriostatic water, also known as reconstitution solution. Some people call it sterile water, but sterile water is technically something different. And that's not something we're going to get into in this video. All right, now from far away, I'm looking at it to make sure that needle's going into the vial and not sticking it back into the rubber. There we go. See, I'm not pushing it down, but the water is going down. That's the way to do it. All right. Now here, I did not mix it. Now here's the key thing, do not shake these peptides. Some peptides are more fragile than others, but don't shake any of them because it could genuinely ruin the potency. Like you could break the peptide and it won't work. But this is what it looks like. After it's mixed. There's a little bit of bubbles at top. That's fine, they're gonna go away. But you don't wanna shake it. And if it looks like there are still clumps, which is totally normal as well, put it in your palms and go back and forth like this. Like you're trying to start a fire with a twig. You can tilt your hands like this, but you're not going fast. And this genuinely would be enough to mix it. Or if you're not gonna inject right now anyway, I just wouldn't shake it at all. I would just go to the fridge, put it in there, and the temperature change going from room temperature to cold, that's gonna cause it to circulate and mix itself. So that's really all you need to do. Now, if you're doing a 20 milligram vial, same exact steps, your dosing is just gonna be different. That's the only difference. And if you're watching this video, if you don't have a coach already that knows how to do this, how to dose it properly, and what to tell you your dose should be, reach out to me.